In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an archived channel in Slack. If you've ever found yourself trying to track down information from a channel that's been archived, then this guide is for you. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you are comfortable navigating Slack to retrieve such information. So let's dive right in. First, you want to begin by heading over to your Slack homepage. This is your base of operations in Slack, where you can access all your workspaces and channels. Once you're on the homepage, we're ready to perform some searches. Now use the search bar to type and locate channels as needed. This function is particularly powerful given that it helps streamline access to both active and archived channels. You might want to use keywords specific to the channel you're aiming to revisit. Next, we'll be focusing on the process of adding channels. Click on Add Channels. This action takes you to a section where you can manage and search for channels, including creating new ones. Although we're not creating a new channel today, it's helpful to know this option is available should you need it in the future. We're ready to proceed further. If you select Create a New Channel, you'll see you're required to name this channel. You'll notice fields for names and descriptions. However, for our purposes right now, we're just illustrating the basic elements you might encounter when engaging with channel settings. At this stage, if you went ahead and created a channel, the next steps involve clicking Create and then Add. But our main goal today isn't to create, rather we're concentrating on finding archived items. To continue, click on the profile icon to view team members associated with channels. From there you'll have an opportunity to access settings. The settings menu is key to various channel management tasks, including archiving. If a channel is no longer in active use, you can archive it, which removes it from the main view without losing its content. Here you select Archive Channel for everyone and proceed to confirm by clicking Archive Channel. Next, for reviewing archive channels, locate the three dots icon on your user interface. Clicking here will offer options where you need to select channels. This operation allows you to manage visibility settings. Select all channels to view every channel available within the scope of your workspace. Within this menu, look for the Clear button. This helps in filtering your list to better navigate through the available channels. Choose any channel type and finally select Archived. This specific filter will direct you to channels that are archived. Once filtered, you can select a particular channel, such as one named How to Find Archive Channel, labeled as archived, to explore its content and history. And there you have it. Following these steps should empower you to find any archived channel in Slack, making sure that all that valuable past communication is still within reach. Stay tuned for more practical tips on mastering your digital workspace.